Hello, good morning, my dear friends. Today, let's see what are the financial service companies. Do you know what is financial service companies? The financial service companies are those financial intermediaries who provide various financial services to the customers, individual customers or corporates. These are the financial service companies, those who are providing the financial services to the corporates or individual customers. We are calling that financial intermediaries as financial service companies. So the financial services companies are categorized as first one, specialized financial institutions, commercial banks, merchant bankers, insurance companies, investment trusts and mutual funds, house building cooperative societies, credit card issuer companies, leasing companies, venture capital funds, credit rating agencies, and non-banking financial companies. So slowly, in the following chapters, we can see which are the services this financial service companies are providing and what it means. All these things are the things we will be slowly learning. Okay. So in this class, let's see what is merchant banking. We have said merchant bankers in the third one, isn't it? So what is merchant banking? Merchant banking is nothing. This merchant banker is neither the merchant nor the bankers. So they are not banker, or they are not belongs to the merchant category, or they are not belongs to the bankers category, but they are in the Indian context. Merchant bankers, what they are doing is they are collecting or mobilizing the capital funds from those who are possessing it, and this fund is transferred to those who are in need of. So the merchant banker, we can explain in such a way: a merchant banker is a specialized financial intermediary who is helping to mobilize and transfer capital from those who possess it and to those who are in need of it. Okay, this is the merchant banking. So let's see the concept of merchant banking. SEBI. Do you know what is the full form of SEBI? What is SEBI? Who is SEBI? And do you know what it is? Now let's see what is the concept of merchant banker. So Securities Exchange Board of India is giving an explanation as any person who is engaged in the business of issue management, either by making arrangements regarding selling, buying or subscribing to securities as manager consult. അപ്പോൾ കൺസൾട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടോ മാനേജറായിട്ടോ അഡ്വൈസറായിട്ടോ റെൻഡറിങ് കോർപ്പറേറ്റ് അഡ്വൈസറി സർവീസസ് ആയിട്ട് ആരെങ്കിലും സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസ് സെല്ലിങ്ങോ ബൈയിങ്ങോ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബിങ്ങോ ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവർ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയും? മെർച്ചൻ്റ് ബാങ്കർ എന്ന് പറയും. So merchant bankers undertake any activity in capital issues and play different roles like lead manager, book runner, co-managers, underwriters, consultants and duties of portfolio manager. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു പോർട്ട്ഫോളിയോ മാനേജറിൻ്റെ ഡ്യൂട്ടികളായിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ആര് ചെയ്യും? മെർച്ചൻ്റ് ബാങ്കർ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. So which are the activities they are doing? That is lead manager, book runner, co-managers, underwriters, consultants. So such kind of works are done by merchant bankers. So let's see what is the scope of activities. Over the years, the merchant banks in India have diversified their activities. They were not only doing the buying or selling of the issue management, but they are doing wide range of activities. Which are the activities they are doing? That is, they are fund based or non-fund based activities or financial investment services they are doing. So which are the non-fund based activities they are doing in India? That are capital issues management and private placement of securities, loan syndication, corporate counseling, project counseling, NRI counseling, trusteeship management, portfolio management, management of mergers and amalgamations, financial engineering, capital restructuring, intercorporate investment of funds, lease broking, equipment procurement, finance. These are the non-fund based activities are done by whom? That is merchant banks. Okay. So again there are various activities done by merchant bankers. So let's see what are the various activities done by our merchant bankers. Okay, then extended scope. Now we saw the scope of activities. Then let's see what are the extended activities of the extended activities of our